These legit right now are my favorite buds. Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick with Open Up. Today I've got the brand new Google Pixel Buds. We're gonna unbox these and give you our first impressions, as well as pair them with our brand new Google Pixel 4a for a seamless experience. If you haven't checked out that unboxing, you can look at it right there, linked above. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs up below. The more people hit those thumbs, the more people can find us online just like you. Let's dive right in. Awesome. Let's pop open these Google Pixel Buds. I'm so excited for these. They do come in 3 colors. Google has them listed at clearly white, almost black, quite mint, and oh so orange. These we picked up the clearly white. I like them. I think they look like little Mentos in your ears. I don't know, I just think they're super cool. So I wanted to pick these ones up. I think they look really awesome. They themselves are super lightweight. Let's pull off this plastic right here, and you can check that out on the side of the box. They have, let's open this up, open. Super cool unboxing experience, and there's the Pixel Buds. Let's pull these out. The buds are wrapped in this little plastic. This charging case feels really cool. It's like a little egg. It's like a squished down egg. Like if you took an egg and you squish it on the top and bottom, that's what it feels like. And next to the Pixel 4a, let me pull off the case. And whichever material, this plastic that you're using, it feels exactly the same. So these feel exactly, if you like that plastic feel, it's definitely a premium plastic feel. It's really nice. I mean, in between the two of them, it's super snappy, just like AirPods. If you've ever tried those, it has the magnetic lid to it. And I really like it. I like the feel to this case. Pop open the rest of the box, and in the box, these are the other ear tips. It comes with the medium-sized ear tips already attached for most ears. You can see it has the small and large ear tip replacements. So those will fit your ears if you have different size ears. You can check those out. And in the box, it has a USB-A to USB-C charger. So these charge through USB side on these, as well as the Google Pixel 4a has a USB-C charger. Love to see that they're adding charging apparatus. And here is your books and stuff. So this is gonna give you that great open where you can easily see all of your controls right there. I'm gonna lay out your different controls, how you use it, how you can pair it, opening it up on your phone, and then using it with your phone. Super easy. We'll just set this aside for right now. May come back to that later, which will be fine. All right, let's pack all this stuff back up. Throw it all back in the box, and let's get over to the Pixel Buds. They are IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so they will be able to take sweat, they'll be able to take rain. You'll be okay with that. Comparing them to AirPods, like I said, they do have that snappy feel. Now the feel to the two cases, I like this feel a lot better. It is that matte finish, matte plastic versus this glossy plastic. The gloss falls right out of your hand really easily, whereas the matte plastic, it does have some more grippiness to it. So I do like that way better than traditional AirPods. They are super snappy. They're magnetically placed into the case themselves, so they can just plop right in there and they adhere really, really nicely. They have that tip that I was telling you about, plastic tip, and it does have a little wing tip on the back of it so that it can lock in the top of your ear. I do like that a lot, and it does have that same plastic that's on the Pixel 4a and the outside of the box. So that polymer is really, really great. It does pair super easily with your Pixel 4a. Just pop open the case. It'll send you through the navigation. Really easy setup. And what I love about these Pixel Buds is that the app itself instructs you or teaches you how to actually use them, how you can use the touch controls once you plop them in your ear. So let me fire this up, pull it out, plop it in my ear, and then it's gonna guide you and teach you how to use these, because I feel like a lot of people, once they use them or pull them out of the box, for the most part, you forget how to use them, but you can always go back in here and they'll teach you how to do it. I'm gonna activate Google Assistant, which comes in super clear. I really like how these sound so far, especially testing out my voice with Hey Google, Hey Google. Setting everything up right now is super seamless. I attach it to my Apple Music that I have on here, and using the controls has been super, super easy on these in particular. So pulling this up, you can see it does have the charge into both and the case. So the case itself is supposed to have 5 hours of battery life to it. I'm sorry, 24 hours, but each earbud is supposed to have 5 hours. So we're gonna test that out here in a little bit. I wanna check what that is gonna look like. And the system is super easy, especially connected to a Pixel 4a. Really, really love it. Let's pop these back in here. And what I wanted to look at next was Bluetooth connectivity. It does have Bluetooth 5.0. The audio itself is dynamic. It does have voice detecting accelerometer as well as dual beaming microphones. The battery, as I mentioned, up to 5 hours. Around the house, if you're using these, fantastic sound. Sweeping outside, whatever you're gonna do with it, it's really, really easy. They stay in the ears, especially with that little wingtip. And when you're exercising, I found they don't fall out at all. I wanted to do multiple different exercises. I wanted to test out that wingtip. No matter what I could throw at it, in place running, jumping jacks, these definitely stood up to the challenge. Throwing some push-ups at it, they didn't fall out, they didn't even budge. The music was great and I love it. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below. We can't wait to see you next time. We've got more coming at you soon. Peace.